Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. I've had a few problems on the channel with the audio quality on this webcam. Don't know if it's the recording software, and often when I'm out and about with my phone, there's no wind muffling. I don't have any microphones, and so it's been a bit of a problem for quality, and quite often you're like thinking, you can barely hear me, or this, that and the other. It's very frustrating. Let's forget about the squeaky chair for a second. So what I've done with my birthday money is gone and got some refurbished camera equipment. So without further ado, let's do some unboxing. I've opened it already, but after seeing someone else with a YouTube channel who I think is really good, which is who's the spoon guy? I'm forgetting his name now. And I was, of course, trying to think of Upsidedownfork's channel. So here on this channel, Upsidedownfork, he's got this video, how I make weekly YouTube videos, and he was sort of showing his setup, his Osmo Action 4 camera, his DJI Mic 2 or the Mic Mini, and a few of his webcams and things. So I thought I would try his mic recommendations. So I think I've got the mini mic, right? Yeah, I've got the Mic Mini. Not number 2, but the Mic Mini. It looks like I could do with a better webcam as well, which I'm not invested in. But there you go. So that was the name I wasn't quite able to think of. But he really recommended these DJI mini mics. DJI mini mics. This is better. So this is the DJI mini mic, and it should come with a fluffy adapter too to muffle any wind noise. So hopefully within this video we'll see that the audio quality really improves once I switch to the camera and the new microphone. So there's that. What else did we get to get this to work? Well, this extends out into a tripod. So this is the DJI Osmo Action Mini Extension Rod. So it just looks like a handheld sort of selfie stick at the moment, but you can actually extend it into a tripod. So that's going to be useful for static videos, for example, outside the car to sort of review cars and show you extra things on the Kona that I've not covered yet. Lastly, along that ilk, we've got an indoor suction cup. So this is the suction cup mount for the Osmo Action camera by DJI. So this could provide us some views in the car or facing forward, sort of like dash cam type footage. Stick to the windscreen or the dash, whatever it works best with. And I've got a little bit of a memory SD card for the camera so that I can upload things. So this will just be internal storage, hopefully, and a bit of transfer of things by USB, etc. But what I've got is a refurbished Osmo Action 5 Pro. So hopefully this is going to be really good. It shoots in 5K and things. It connects to the mics via Bluetooth, and so it should be nice and really easy to set up. I don't have any of the waterproof stuff, and I have done a little bit of scuba diving, but I don't think I'm going to take up any extreme sports every now and again. But this could really improve some of the videography as well for the channel. If we're seeing new camera, go to visit new chargers and things, or go to review a new car, I think we should get some much better footage, both audio and visual. And so I'm excited for that. Now, let me pause this aspect and we'll switch to the camera if it's charged, and we'll switch to the microphone and we'll see what improvements we get. The other thing is I'm just showing you the refurbished part of DJI. So DJI are kind of like, they make a lot of drones and stuff, and they make a lot of these sort of GoPro style cameras. And they've got these refurbished units. So you can get the latest one is the Action Pro 5, and this is the one that does Bluetooth linking to several mics. So if ever want to get an extra mic and link it via Bluetooth, this is a good one to have. But there's the old one that's just a bit cheaper. And you can get these like handheld or pocket style cameras that are popular now as well. And you've got some of the older ones here as well. I don't have a recharging unit. I think I've just probably got a cable, so we'll see how that works. But you can get these for your phones as well. So I had to think about whether I just wanted to buy one of these that would hold my phone and then a mic. But I've gone for the bigger and better option. But whether I'll regret that in the end, who knows? Yeah, just saving e-waste and all that sort of thing. So these often come with a warranty, and if someone breaks it, they'll just send it back and they'll be sent a new one. but then they'll have all these things that they repair and then can resell to you at a reduced price. So I think that's going to be pretty good. So let's switch now to the updated camera and updated mic and see if it's a lot better.
Hi everyone, so this is the first video doing on the DJI cam and mic, so hopefully we can see that the picture's a lot better, hopefully the audio's a lot better. Got the mic set up here on the jumper with a little air muffler, so hopefully that cuts out a lot of wind noise and things, and I've got the camera set up on a nice tripod in front of me in the office where the wife works from home, so she's using this most of the time, but at the weekend, once the kids are asleep, often I'll set up the YouTube videos and things like that. So hopefully this, when we're out and about at chargers and things, will improve audio. It might even be that I record a lot of the videos through this, or I can try and link this to the computer as well, so that, you know, audio improves a great deal, or I might figure out how to connect it via USB and just record from this instead of the webcam, and we can have me screen grabbing and doing recording videos along with using this as a webcam instead. So it might help improve everything a great deal, but hopefully this is a good step for the channel. And so I'll just pop outside now in the next one, and we'll see how things go when it's windy and stuff like that. So we'll go have a look around the park or something. All right, see you in a second. Hey, welcome back. So now we're outside, and I thought I'd show you where the heat pump hopefully will be going. So we're just outside the back of my Victorian terrace house, and here we've got some of the places where we imagined we would grow fruit and stuff in. So we actually did this stupid BBC Make My Garden Perfect wing with a little garden. And I think we were series 1, episode 6 or something like that. 2 minutes of fame for the kids. They're kind of cute, so it was nice to sort of capture them when they were very young and things. But yeah, these are far too shallow to actually grow anything. They're absolutely pointless. And so we could get these off, and hopefully this is where the heat pump's going to go. But I will need, and it's a bit windy here, so hopefully this is containing the wind noise. This is a great test. This is why I came out the back. So hopefully this is going to contain where the double level heat pump's going to go. We're going to get an 11 kilowatt Valent. So we just need to figure out, if you have the heat pump unit here, then obviously the air is going to be blown this way. And we're just drying one of the kids' blankets. Let's get that out of the way. So it's going to be blown right against this planter here. So I need to figure out, can I just cut this, what is it? Again, I'm forgetting. Honeysuckle, and then move the whole plant pot further down to create room for where the heat pump's going to be blowing cold air and killing the plant essentially. So we've got a bit of thinking about that. Further tours of the garden is where we have our wallbox EV charger, and where I park to charge, because obviously we don't come in here and park the car, we just put everything just outside the back. And I'm on co-charger, so I'm willing to share my charger with anyone who's willing to pay cost or a little bit extra to get their car charged if they don't have a home charger. I'm on a terrace street. I don't have any right to reserve that spot, but there's no competition for parking at the back. There is at the front, but not at the back. So we haven't had any trouble or strife about that, and no one tends to park out the back and compete for spaces, so that's all okay. So yeah, so that's a little tour of the new camera. We're hopefully going to get our heat pump, how we charge our EV on a terrace street. It is possible. And hopefully the sound and the audio is a lot better quality, and I'm going to enjoy using this on holiday with the kids, doing family videos and things like that. And whenever we go visit somewhere, instead of using my phone and using all my phone battery and using all my phone storage, that we can directly connect this to the computer and just get a nice easy setup instead. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys, like, comment, subscribe, and let me know how well this has worked. Did this audio work really well, or it still was a loads of wind noise and it's not quite as good as I thought? Okay, see you in the next one. Ciao.